Hello and welcome in. I am hoping that this video can be a sign for you, just like so many years ago, some random videos were a sign for me when I was looking to start making money online. It was literally some random videos on YouTube that led me to believe that I could start making money online. And I gotta tell you, I'm so glad that I believed those videos. I'm so glad that I gave myself a shot, because not only did I in fact start making money online, but I actually was able to eventually replace my full-time nursing income and go on to build a six-figure business for myself. And so in this video, I do want to talk about how $500 days are really possible from home, and how you can do it through a business that will give you everything that you need to succeed. I've been so fired up lately because I keep getting amazing reports back from brand new customers and members. And one of the most recent testimonies was from someone that said this information and this style of business was exactly what they were searching for. And I so resonate with those sentiments, because that's exactly how I felt when I was first getting started. I'm so glad that I found information that shot straight, that told me exactly what this was all about and gave me a real opportunity. And that's what I want to do in this video. I don't want to lead you astray, because I think one of the worst things that people are doing online right now is trying to string together a bunch of free information. And I feel like one of the reasons why I was able to get such a fast start is that I understood that I was embarking upon a journey, and that journey was backed by opportunity. I realized that I was in fact learning how to really make money online, and I was learning the fundamentals and the steps of how to actually grow a real business. And the fastest path to getting me there was actually giving me opportunity and giving me really sound instructions and guidance. And so I'm going to talk about in this video how my particular turnkey business literally gives you every single thing that you need, so that once you are inside, you don't have to look beyond the system to start making money. You literally can build a six-figure business for yourself with everything that comes inside of this turnkey business. And so I'm going to shoot straight. This video is all about what this turnkey business can do for you, what you can look forward to experiencing once you're inside, and I'll even talk about how you can get started and enlist my mentorship to help you on this journey as well. So the first thing that our turnkey business gives you is a ready-to-sell digital product. And the reason why this is so important, and I'm going to say that with every single thing that I point out, because there's a reason why everything is in place as it is. Systems are really important, and systems are designed to have components that make doing whatever you want to do easier for yourself. And so being that this is a turnkey business system, everything that's in it is designed to make it a ton easier with you getting started and making money. So the very first thing that you get is a done for you digital product. And why this is so important is that no matter what the business, all businesses need products. So when you're deciding to learn how to start making money online, I'm going to tell you from my own experience, the last thing you want to worry about is how to create or source a product. When I first got started, not only was I inspired by what I saw other people doing, but I actually purchased a really simple digital product that began to teach me some very simple things about making money online. But when I got to the end of that product, it let me know that I could turn right back around and begin selling that product for 100% commissions. Now that got me really excited. And the reason why it got me excited is because I instantly saw myself in business. I wasn't left trying to figure out, well, this is really great information, but now what do I do with it? Or how do I figure out what I want to sell? Because that likely would have sent me down a rabbit hole, right? Of months and months of trying to figure out how to come up with an idea or a product to sell. But instead, I instantly began to see the fact that other people needed this information. And being that it told me that I could begin selling it, right, for 100% commissions, that empowered me to get out there and to begin talking about it. So again, those first few videos that I saw on YouTube, remember what I said, like they led me to believe that I could do what I saw other people on YouTube doing. And so I took that initial product, I got on YouTube, I began talking about it. And on day number 3, I had sold my very first product. Now that would not have been possible had I had to figure out what I was going to sell. So by giving you a ready-to-sell digital product, we help you get set up and started in business very quickly. So literally, if you want to get out there and start making money within your first few weeks, within your first week, you absolutely can. And this is not just any digital product. This is a high quality, high ticket, high in demand digital product. So people just like yourself are out there searching for this exact digital product, because this digital product is going to help them learn how to get a business set up for themselves. Just like you, it's going to give them a ready-made product that they can begin selling. And it's going to give them everything that I'm going to share with you inside of this video about this product as well. And every single time that you sell it, guess what? You get to earn $500 paid instantly and directly to you. The second thing is step-by-step marketing training and also a marketing system. And why this is so important is because every business out there, every personal brand, anyone that gets started trying to make money online or grow an online business, they need marketing, advertising, and traffic. I mean, every business imaginable needs those things. And so one of the worst things that happens for people when they come online is they get excited over the idea of making money, but they never learn how to market. They never learn how to advertise. They never learn how to get traffic over to their product. What I love about our training is that there is very generalized training, and then there is more specific training. What I love about our system is I liken it to a franchise, where when you get started with like a McDonald's franchise system, they teach you the business of McDonald's. They don't teach you like Wharton School of Business level business. They don't teach you everything about business. They teach you how to run that system. So inside of our turnkey business, we teach you how to actually run this particular business. That allows you to dial in to learn what is necessary, to learn specifically how to market this particular system, and to get out there, right, and begin positioning yourself to make sales quickly. Exactly how I got off to a fast start when I first got started. I learned how to market that system specifically. I wasn't trying to learn all the things about making money online or internet marketing, right? I learned specifically how to start selling that one thing. And so not only do we give you very specific marketing and advertising and traffic training, but we actually have a marketing and content system in place where you can tap into every single day, every single week, however often you want to, and it's going to help you with your actual marketing. It's going to give you your marketing content. No matter what platform you choose, it's going to actually give you your marketing content. So even with that, you're not having to sit back and wonder how to create a video, or what do I post, or what do I say? It'll give you marketing scripts. It'll give you short form content scripts. It'll give you posts. It'll give you anything that you want when it comes to marketing and advertising and creating content for your business. The third thing that you get, and I talked about this with the product, is that you get 100% profits. Literally, like enough said when it comes to that. So with one sale, the reason I love offering 100% profits, and the reason I love being in position to earn 100% profits, it's first off, with your very, very first sale, you break even. And that's so important. It's so important that you break even as fast as you possibly can, because it just gets you excited about that next sale, knowing that from sale number 2 on is all profit, right, directly into your bank account. All right. And so 100% profit every time you sell our digital product, right? Our done for you turnkey business system to another person that's just like you out there looking for a sign, looking for an opportunity, looking for something that's going to shoot really, really straight in terms of like what it takes and giving people a real opportunity. Every single time you sell this system, right? $500 comes instantly and directly to you. And the fourth thing is our system gives you your entire sales system. So there is no tech overwhelm. And what I mean by no tech overwhelm, it's not that you don't have to learn the tech, but you don't have to ever navigate the tech from a place of starting from scratch. To put it in perspective, when I first got started, someone came along and told me that I needed a capture page and that I needed to start building my own email list. And I didn't know what any of that meant. And so I had to go to Google and I had to start doing my own research. And I found information that helped me put together my first capture page, right? It helped me start building my own email list. But knowing how important that is to people getting started, right, we made sure that we don't just talk about having an email list and talk about having a capture page so you can build your own email list, but we actually give you the system so that you don't have to figure out or sit back trying to create all of that from scratch. I've taken the time to build out the entire sales system, right? And you have a couple options of what kind of sales system you want to run. Whether you want to run your business from a very, very simple digital store, all the frameworks are there for you literally to copy and paste, or whether you want to use the exact same kind of sales system that I actually use. The sales system is already in place for you, complete with a step-by-step training to help you in putting it all together. Why this is so important is your sales system, first off, it's how you're going to be able to generate things like sleep money. Or if you're working a 9-to-5 job right now, how you'll be able to start making sales while you're working your job is by having a system in place. But along my journey, there have been quite a few instances where companies have given me sales systems, which was fantastic. But when they decided to go out of business, guess what? I lost my entire sales system. What I love about what we do here is that while we have built the sales system for you, we give it to you in such a way where you now own your own sales system. No one can ever take it away from you. So it's not a link that we give you. It's in fact a real sales system. right? It's just like if you open up a brick and mortar business and I said, this is your store. Like, I'm giving you your store, right? Like, you paid the money to invest into this opportunity, and what comes with it is your own sales system, is your own store. Right? I walk away, and no matter what I ever decide to do, that store and all the products remain yours. That is what we do with our sales system within this turnkey business. Is we've created the system, we give you the system. Once you set it up, it is yours. You have that forever. And that's really, really important. So inside of our turnkey business, we don't just give you, right, an opportunity and give you the training and give you a sales system, but we set you up so that you have true ownership and control in this business, that you are not starting from scratch. You're starting from a level of simplicity, and you're starting with so much of it already done for you. And the last bit, but to me, there's still so much more, because it's really like the business system that literally just keeps on giving. And I've actually had members say that as well. It's like every time they turn around, there's been new things that have been added, new training, new supplemental, educational bits to help. But this element's really important, and that's real mentorship and real support. And why is that important? It's because for the person that can benefit from it, we're human. We're going to have questions. We might have setbacks. We might just want to hang out with like-minded people. And that's something that we offer every single week to our members. So whether it is questions, whether it's, sales help, no matter what, again, maybe you just want to hang out with people that are in business like you, so that you're not in this all by yourself. Every single member, every single customer, even as you begin to resell this system to other people, your customers get access to this mentorship and this built-in level of support as well. And I know for a fact this is really important. Not only do I experience it in real time every single week as new people and even older partners, I pop on to get help and to hang out and to offer advice and to share what's working with other members. But I remember so vividly when I was first getting started, being able to hang around people that were making more money than I was and that were experiencing the kind of success I wanted to experience, it really did help to fast track me. It just gave me an opportunity to never have to rely just upon myself, but to know that I had, a community there to actually support me. And so if you love the way all of this sounds, and you have been, again, if this is the video where you're like, this is my sign, this is what I've been looking for. If you're like Shondell, where, she's the one that said, this is the information and the exact business system that I've been looking for. If that is how you are feeling, I'm going to encourage you to get the information down below in my description. You're going to see that everything I shared here and so much more, right, is built inside of the system, and you're going to see exactly how to get started. The investment is a $500 one-time investment that gives you access to everything that I shared here and even so much more. When you pop over, you'll see exactly. You'll have everything that you need to begin to dive in, begin to learn our exact business model. You'll have everything you need to start getting your own sales system set up. I have many people that get their sales system set up in a single weekend. Some have taken as long as a week or 2 weeks or maybe even 3 weeks. But the fact of the matter is, you're going to have everything that you need to go as fast as you want to go. You're going to have your marketing, your advertising, and your posting training there that's going to show you exactly how to start marketing and posting and creating your content so you can position yourself for those $500 sales. And you're going to have access to all the mentorship and all the support that you need. Again, it's all baked inside of this system. And you're also going to have that license to be able to resell our digital offering for 100% profits. That's $500 every single time someone comes along, thanks to your marketing, right? Your marketing is assigned for them. They decide to get started. They are paying you directly. And again, our setup training, it shows you exactly how to get everything set up so that your customers are paying you. No one ever touches your money. It's a really, really beautiful thing. So again, I really hope that this video could be a sign for you and be exactly what you were looking for. Moving forward, if you've been around my content for a while, this is exactly what you're going to find here with all of my content moving forward. Is again, I'm just remembering what it was like to come across really good information that helped me get a fast start when I was getting started. And I know the internet has evolved, YouTube has evolved, these platforms have evolved since I first got started, and it can be so overwhelming, it can be so complicated, it can feel like it's so complex. And I just want to bring back the simplicity factor in all of this by making sure people understand that the internet is not just about free information, leaving you in a way of having to figure out like what to do once you have the information. But there is such a thing as good, solid opportunity that, yes, takes you having to invest into, but it really does shortcut your path. Because when you have to botch together or piece together or link together a bunch of free information, that leaves room for a lot of figuring it out. When someone can hand deliver you a complete system that gives you everything that I broke down here. Like, you can't imagine how that shortcuts your startup and shortcuts your path to getting into profits. And again, that's exactly how I was able to get such a fast start when I first got started, is there was no figuring it out. It was just simply modeling and copying the system that was hand delivered to me and just simply following through and doing it. Right? And so again, I hope that this leaves you better. I hope this gets you really excited. I hope it's what you've been looking for. I'll drop the link down below in the description, or simply go to www.myturnkeybusiness.com. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, or I look forward to seeing you inside of the community. Bye-bye.